An ice beverage station transforms a busy family kitchen into a smooth serving hub for large gatherings. Design the station around a commercial-style ice maker sized to produce at least 100 to 200 pounds of ice per day, depending on typical guest counts, placing it near power and a dedicated water supply line, and a drain to avoid flooding. Pair that with a Kegerator or a multi-tap beverage dispenser mounted under a counter for chilled beer, kombucha, or house-made sodas, and route CO2 lines neatly through cabinet backs. Add Undercounter refrigeration drawers to keep mixers and garnishes within arm reach, and install a small bar sink with a high-flow faucet and an air gap to handle rinsing and ice melt safely. Plan storage that separates glassware from plastic cups using adjustable shelving and pull-out trays for easy access when hands are full. Consider installing built-in keg taps in a peninsula or island face for self-serve during casual events, and include a lock or simple cover for safety when not in use. Finish with durable, non-porous counter materials and a dedicated trash chute or bin to keep the area sanitary during peak use. The three common mistakes are underestimating ice production needs, which leads to shortages, so size the machine for peak demand and include a reserve ice bin or secondary maker. Inadequate drainage and water supply can cause leaks and interrupted service, so run a dedicated drain line and install an automatic shutoff or float switch to prevent overflow. Poor workflow and storage placement creates bottlenecks. So orient the station so the ice maker, sink, beverage taps, and glassware form a short loop, and use pull-out organizers to speed service. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors familiar with commercial-style ice makers, kegerators, and built-in beverage stations, and shows project ideas and budgets that match large family kitchens. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find opportunities for work together.